Today we're going to be doing 10 easy summer crafts to make your house look so summery. You will be ready for summer. So let's get started. Debbie Smiles Happy Place, I'd like to welcome you and thank you for stopping by. Please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing this video if you enjoyed the content. Again, we're going to be doing 10 easy summer crafts that you can do in just a few minutes. So I have these honeybee window clings, and I'm going to be using them in some of my shadow boxes. I painted these shadow boxes with this cashew chalk Waverly paint and this Midnight Sky Waverly paint. And so we're just going to go through here and see which ones I want to do. I think I want to do that one for sure. I like this big sunflower. I like this big sunflower, so we're going to use it. Put a little bit of Mod Podge in the middle. Alright, so there's one. I have this one. Right, second one at the bottom, right there. And again, I have some bees to put around. That's two. Now we're on three. Here's three. One, two, oh, there's three. Oh my gosh, there's too many stickers, guys. Too many stickers. There's four. There's too many of these to choose from, guys. Don't really like that one compared to this one. Five. Last one. All right. And that is 6. Okay, now we're going to decorate these with some of my little tiered tray items that are smaller and that we can just decorate around. I'm going to take this teapot that I got off Amazon for around $10, maybe less than $15, I know I paid for it. And I'm going to turn it into something that looks like Rae Dunn with these decals that I have. And on this one, I'm going to put T. So T-E-A on the front of my teapot. Off the clear plastic. Oh, that's cute. I really like that. So that is my teapot. Next, I'm going to take these 3 vases and I'm going to put Home Sweet Home down them, doing the same technique of putting my little decals and making them look like Rae Dunn products, even though I got these vases on Amazon for probably less than $15, and then I'm putting these little decal stickers on them. Let's see if this one will fit. Hopefully it will. Have it, and I think those are cute. Home Sweet Home. And then you can put some flowers in the top. Next, I'm going to be stringing these beads that have bumblebees on them and look all summery with bees. So, and I'm going to put them on this rope. So I'm going to cut me a piece of string, and then I'm going to use one for the end. Tie one on the end. Let's see if we can do this without having to put tape on here, but if you have trouble with it fraying at the end, you can put tape on it. So then we're going to alternate our colors and our designs. Let's see, let's do black. Have to tape it. I will have to tape it. I will have to tape it. There you have a decorative rope for summer. Next, we're going to make some ribbon, some bows. Next, we're going to make some bows. I can get in here. I'll start with this one because this one's going to be easier. It's shorter, it's littler, not as short. All right, so I got these 2 that look like bumblebees, like these. And I'm going to make a pretty bow with them. And how I'm going to do that is I'm going to put them together like this. Making little loops with them. I can't remember if it's 4 or 5 loops, but I think I'm going to do 5. There's 4. I'm going to do 1 more loop. And then I'm going to make it just as long as that. So we'll have some ribbon left over to do for another project. And so I have that. So next I'm going to take a piece of rope. Take a piece of rope that I have, and I'm going to tie it down here really tight so that it holds all of them in place. So so it holds all of them in place. I'm going to tie it several times. So it holds them all in place. I'll probably just, I don't know, I'll probably just cut it off. Probably just cut it off so long so that it stays there. Okay. Next, I'm going to take the ends and I'm gonna fold them in half, and then I'm gonna cut it at an angle like a triangle, and I'll give it a pretty end on both sides. On both sides. So that it will, oh, did that one wrong. I did that one completely wrong. I don't know what I was thinking. I don't know what I was thinking. I gotta go this way. That was completely wrong. Alright, so that's a pretty end. So that's a pretty end. Okay. Next, I'm going to take and pull each one of these out toward each other. And just keep doing that until I have them all pulled apart. The bottom from the top. Well, I think I'm going to make them opposite of each other so that it makes it more cohesive. Just pull it apart like that. Like the other. Shape it like you want it. And then, just like that, you have a pretty bow to use anywhere that you want for summer. Probably put this one on one of my tier trays. And I think what I'll do, since I messed up on, nah, I'm not, never mind. I'm just gonna leave it as simple as that. Just pull it apart, and then you have a pretty bow to put on something. So now you see how pretty that all turned out for summer. I think those just turned out so pretty. I want to thank you for viewing the video today, and I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that your summer is full of fun and swimming and all those good things, trips and vacations and all that stuff. So until the next time, I will see you on the next video.